Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to post a video from your Instagram account to your Twitter account on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer or even Windows, a Twitter account, an Instagram account. I am using my company accounts for this tutorial. So now we can go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser that you are using. For this video, we are using Opera. As you can see, I am signed into my Instagram account for the company I work for, as well as the Twitter account, so we can decrease the size of the web browser for the moment. You'll see why I've done that in a minute. We can pull out the Twitter web browser so we can then see what is happening on a simultaneous level. So Instagram, Twitter, as you can see, I have posted photos and videos from the past from Instagram to Twitter. Now we will be posting the next post, which is a video, to Twitter. So you would then need to obtain the video from your Instagram account in order to post to your Twitter. For me, I already have a folder. Before I post on any platform, I back up my posts so I can readily have them available when it comes to posting or reposting again on another platform. Go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, my YouTube channel, apartments, post 1 to 9, post 4. Yes, if we go to tweet what's happening, take the video, move to the side, drag and drop, and now the video will be uploading. So we can go to Instagram for the moment, take the caption, re-add the caption to Twitter, so what to expect when you visit our website, Showcase Apartments. The video was recorded from mobile phone, edited, and then uploaded to Instagram. Now we are uploading the video to the Twitter account for the company. Let's just tweet. And now hopefully that should have uploaded to the account. May take some time, really depending on the quality and the length of the video. So now the video is live. So that's how you post a video from your Instagram account to your Twitter account using a couple of tricks and tips and techniques. We did not require to obtain the video as we already had it backed up for a tutorial like this. So now we can minimize Opera. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.